In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Kit products. To get started, make sure you are logged in and looking at your main dashboard. Along the top of the screen, you will see the navigation menu. Find and click on Earn. This is where you manage the ways you bring in revenue, including products you can sell directly. After you click Earn, look for the option labeled Products and select it. This opens your product area where you can view anything you have already created and where you will create a new item to sell. Next, click New Product. This begins a guided setup so you can add the important details in a clear order. First, you will be prompted to enter the name of your product. Choose a name that is specific and easy to understand, since this is what buyers will see first. When you are satisfied with the name, click Next to continue. Now you will set your price. Take a moment to confirm that the price matches the value of what you are delivering and that it aligns with your audience. If your platform shows currency settings, make sure they are correct for your intended buyers. Once your price is set, click Next. At this point, you will choose the product type. Select Digital Download. This option is used when you are delivering a file to the customer immediately after purchase. Then upload your file. Before you upload, it helps to double-check that the file is the final version, that it opens correctly, and that the file line looks professional. Also keep in mind that larger files can take longer to upload, so give it a moment to finish. When the upload is complete and everything looks correct, click Create Product. This saves your product and prepares it for release. Finally, click Publish. Publishing is the step that makes your product available for purchase, so make sure you are ready for customers to buy. Once it is published, your digital download product is officially live and ready to sell. And that covers everything you need to know.